It's Tech Lid, and we're bullish. The stampede is coming, baby. In this video, we will be talking about an article here from the investorplace.com. The headliner reads, Sndl grower stock is going nowhere without this Emperor US legalization. I'm not going to read the entire article. In fact, I'm not even going to read it at all. We're just going to kind of summarize it and what's been going on with Sndl. It says if you hold Sndl stock, it's something to think about. Basically, the basis of this entire article once again comes down to the legalization of marijuana in the United States. This is a major catalyst for Sndl stock. In fact, it is the biggest catalyst that will drive the price of Sndl stock. It has the ability to 5x, 10x in price from where it is. That's why I always say Sndl stock under $1. It is a golden move. It is a golden play. This thing is future proof. If you get in now, you don't have to go on and chase this later on. It does go on to mention a section here, worries for Sndl stock. The main worry, of course, is the volatility of the stock. The stock seems to be very volatile, as it can go up a lot and also go down a lot at the same time. Although the price is very low, when it goes up and down a few cents, that could really make a difference in anybody's portfolio. Now, another big thing here that talks about the worry for Sndl is that Sndl's home country is Canada. Of course, Canada can only get so big, right? So it isn't until the US will have some big legalization here in the stateside that we will see Sndl finally bloom and take off to that next level. So as I always say, patience. You gotta have patience with Sndl stock. Just a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Always make sure to do your own due diligence and research when you invest in any type of market. Do the homework, do the research, you'll come out winning. Bank on it. Let's take a look at the price here for Sndl stock. Sndl is currently sitting at 73 cents. Of course, depending on when you see the video, it could be higher or lower. Today, Sndl got up as high as 73, yes, and it was as low as 70 cents. So yeah, from 70 to 73 cents, I know a lot of you think that's not a lot of profit, but 3 and 4 cent swings on Sndl, it is 4%, depending on how much you have in money invested in Sndl. That could have been a big move for your portfolio. In the course of the last 5 days, Sndl is up 1.16%. So in the course of the last 5 days, we are positive, we are in the green. Yes, it is very minuscule. It may not be the type of move that many of you want to hear. You might want to see 10, 15% jumps, but that is not to be. In the last month, it is down 9%, 9.3%. So we're going to stay here on this trending that seems to be reversing here. I think Sndl is going to go up and could be headed into that 80 cent territory to 85 cent territory. This could take 2 to 3 weeks to play out perhaps, especially if we're going to be going up slowly like this. So maybe tomorrow it goes up another 2 cents, and then another 2 cents, and then it goes back a cent, goes up 3 cents. That's the kind of thing that happens with Sndl. That's why I always say that even though Sndl is down, there is always money to be made even when it is moving down. You gotta catch it low enough to get in your positions and just ride it up higher. This is especially true for those trading the stock. You might think it's not a lot of money, but if you time the thing correctly, there's money in it. And to my Sndl stock long-term holders, you got nothing to worry about. This is just little price movements that go up and down. If you got Sndl stock, you already know what you got. you know what you have, and you know that it's gonna rocket up eventually. It's gonna take time though. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, thumbs down, it's all good. If you haven't done so already, please do consider subscribing to the channel, as it helps tremendously. Get those eyeballs seen on the video. If you haven't, make sure you actually hit that notification bell so you can stay notified, informed, and up to date. Until the next time, peace and love to the Tech Lid Legion.